The moment you place your hands on the steering wheel, you feel the connection between driver and machine. This premium performance steering wheel is designed for drivers who want more than just control. They want emotion, precision, and unmistakable style every time they turn the key. Inspired by decades of motorsport heritage, it transforms the driving experience and makes your car feel completely different from the inside out. The spokes feature a brushed black anodized finish that delivers a clean, aggressive look while maintaining long-term durability. This finish resists wear and adds a refined motorsport character that fits perfectly in both modern builds and classic performance cars. Wrapped around the wheel is a high-quality black leather grip, carefully selected to provide a comfortable yet confident feel in your hands. Whether you are daily driving, enjoying spirited backroad runs, or building a show car, the grip offers excellent control and tactile feedback. Attention to detail continues with the horn button, finished in black and highlighted by a subtle silver arrow logo that reflects authentic racing design. It adds a professional touch without being flashy, reinforcing the wheel's focus on performance and elegance. Every element works together to create a balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and driving confidence. Built on a vision rooted in Italian style, racing experience, and technological innovation, this steering wheel represents a long tradition of quality and passion for driving. Drivers consistently praise the craftsmanship and the immediate upgrade in feel and responsiveness, often describing it as one of the most impactful interior modifications they have ever made. If you want to elevate your driving experience and give your car a true performance-inspired cockpit, click the link in the video description to check current availability and compatibility. Subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality automotive upgrades that bring style, control, and excitement back to every drive.